Everyone says AI is smart, but watch this. This is not intelligence, this is guessing. Let me show you 5 rules that turn any AI from a random internet guy into a personal assistant. Don't get hung up on my silly examples, apply the rules to your own problems. Rule 1. Tell the AI what success looks like. Not topic, outcome. Now watch. Help me cook eggs so I don't set off my smoke alarm at 2 a.m. in a dorm. Same eggs, different future. AI works backwards from a goal. No goal, average answer. Rule 2. Choose the shape of the answer. AI writes essays unless you stop it. Respond as a 5-step emergency morning protocol. You didn't improve the AI, you improved the container. Structure creates clarity. Rule 3. Limitations make AI smarter. Because now it must prioritize. Under $10 indoors, no talking required. Constraints force originality. Without them, AI plays safe. Rule 4. Don't describe style. Demonstrate style. AI copies patterns better than instructions. Style example: drink water, lift rock, become problem. You gave one tiny sample and changed the entire personality. Examples are cheat codes. Last rule: tell AI what to avoid. Most people never do this. No psychology explanations, no introductions, no productivity buzzwords. AI is trained to be safe and generic, so remove its safe options. You get precision. Now let's combine everything into one prompt. Goal: help me study for 20 minutes without touching my phone. Format: checklist. Constraints: under 80 words, simple actions. Example style: short comments like close door, sit down, start timer. Avoid explanations, motivation, and buzzwords. Same AI, but now it behaves like it knows you. You don't need to memorize the rules. Use this forever. Fill these 5 lines and any AI becomes predictable. Bad answers usually are not bad AI. They are incomplete instructions. So next time AI disappoints you, don't ask again. Ask better.